Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 10.4 from 2022, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and in this left section we have to find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to the screen section. As you can see, at the very first option we've got the sleep one, so let's tap, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10, or even never. So it's of course up to you. Currently we've got 2 minutes option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Huawei MatePad 10.4 from 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.